Huh? What is this? Oh no, this is not a good news. I need to tell them.
Guys, I just found a shocking news about electrical and optics sector, and this is not a good news for us.
Chill out, bro. What news are you talking about?
Yeah bro, tell us.
I just found out that in Malaysia right now, the job vacancy for us is increasing, which is good for us. But the problem is, the jobs created in this sector is not increasing like we expected. Basically, low jobs created.
Oh, so this is really bad news for engineering students right now.
Yeah, because our country are really in demand in this sector because this sector is a backbone for our modern tech nowadays. For example, like the phone that we use right now. And also, it is contribute for many industrial growth in our country.
I think we should do a research about this. So, let's try to study the data from DOSM. Oh, here is the result from this data. What I can conclude here, from 2018 to 2025, the average of jobs listed is 142.610 and the median is 142.916. So it's balanced actually, but the standard deviation here tells us that there is moderate fluctuation over time.
Oh, how about the jobs field?
For the field jobs, there's like 133,800 jobs are filled, and also it's stable based on the mean and median here.
So that means that the vacancies are high as well, right?
Exactly. There is like 8,809 jobs stay vacant, and also from the standard deviation here is a blast, but the demand still steady. But the sad news is the jobs created are not like we expected. We can see here that only 537 jobs created per quarter. Not forget to mention that the low standard deviation means that this situation is consistent along the year. Check this out, the vacancies from 2018 until 2021. The line graph shows inconsistent here and a big drop on 2020, which is the year of the pandemic happened. But it increased again after the pandemic. But the real deal is here. Even after the pandemic, the numbers of jobs created are remain low and flat over the years. It's completely not aligned with the vacancies increases.
So what's the reason behind this data?
I think this might be because of graduate students do not have the right skill after graduating, since it is a pandemic before. Hence, companies are really struggling to find the right employee for their companies. The hiring system could also be the reason behind this data graph.
This is really bad for Malaysia if this keep continuing. What do we need to do to stop this?
Personally, I think that the government should align the education system with the industry requirements. Say for example, the internship period, we can make it longer. That way the students, the university students, could have more experience with the working environment. So that way they can enter the jobs easier, because jobs requirement nowadays, they want the workers to have the best of experience since day one, right? Also, I think the government should provide more support to open more jobs actually. That way, I think it's easier for the companies to pay their workers' salary.
Yeah, sounds good to me. All the ideas are great and accurate. I hope after we graduate, we can get a job of our own job sector.